Nobody can touch it. It's that. Hey, how are you cleaning your vehicle? Are you using an old technology, wax and sealing and all other stuff like that? I look old as shit. Probably gonna clean your car this weekend, huh? Sun is out, it's so nice, the weather is nice and cool. This Honda Accord will never wax again. It's got Ceramic Pro Gold on it. Yeah, ceramic coatings. Yes, a new technology. The new technology replacing wax and sealing. The Ceramic Pro is the top tier, leading ceramic coating in the industry. He's got 4 layers of 9H, which is the hardness. It makes all the spider webbing and scratching almost non-existent. Not scratch proof, but it's scratch resistant. And I've had vehicles come year after year after year. They have little hairlines, but no swirling. Clients are loving it. This Accord joins that club. Then there's 1 coat of top coat. No waxing, no sealing. Oh, it's on the windows. Oh, it's on the rims. It's on all the plastics. And I mean, no, you can't wax plastic anyway. No more machine polishing. Who's next?